Hi guys, it's Yuko here. Thanks for joining me, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your autumn a little more awesome with this vegan pumpkin spice smoothie. And it's super simple to make, and I'm going to be showing you now, so let's get started. We're going to be adding some organic pumpkin puree and then some protein powder of your choice, and then some organic coconut milk, some almond milk, some freshly grated ginger, some vanilla extract, and a pinch of spices, and frozen bananas, and a few ice cubes. So we're going to be putting all these ingredients into a high-speed blender, and I like to start with the liquids first and then put the solids, just because I find it blends a lot easier that way. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know if you try this at home or if you have any tips and tricks that you would like to share with me. You can put them below. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. So good. It's so yummy. It really tastes like you're drinking a pumpkin pie. It's delicious. The coconut milk in here, it makes it just so creamy, and the fresh ginger gives it a little bit of bite, and same thing with all the spices. Yeah, and you have your protein powder in there, so you got your energy for the day. So it's a perfect breakfast smoothie. See you later, guys. Bye.